On.
Hello, this is Dr. Hands again with a patient of mine, Maurice. Maurice has been coming in for a few weeks. Came in initially with knee pain, right shoulder pain, low back pain radiating down the leg. Feel like we've definitely helped him quite a bit, although he's not where he needs to be. He has seen great range of improvement in range of motion. Go ahead and just tell the viewers out here what you've noticed the most.
Listen, guys, I want to say that I want to thank this guy. I was experiencing a lot of pains in like my hips, and with the traction on my back, like my hips, I don't really have that much pain no more. I've been doing the ShockWave on my knee, my shoulder, and my back. Starting to feel a little better. I'm gonna keep going at it till I'm 100%. It's definitely working. Come holler at my man.
All right.
Mr. Hands, Mr. Hands got them hands. Come see him.
We're making some good progress here, and look forward to the next video. Thanks so much.